Today we will explore Salamba Sirsasana with variations. Beginners practice at the wall. We'll first locate the crown of the head, bring the index tips to the lobe of the ear, and where the two index fingers meet, that is the crown of the head. We'll interlace the hands, placing the elbows below the shoulders, crown of the head to the mat, releasing the back of the head into the palm of the hands. On an inhale, lift the legs, stretching the legs skyward, reaching from your inner groins to your inner heels. Keep pressing the forearms, pinky side edge of the hands into the earth. Beginners, you will remain here. At any point in time, release the legs down, coming into child's pose. Intermediate advanced students, we will explore Parivrita Kapada Sirsasana 10. On an exhale, we'll lower one leg to the front, one leg to the back. With your next exhale, twist. Keep reaching through the ball mound of the big toes. Keep breathing. Slowly, steadily return back to Salamba Sirsasana. On an exhale, repeat. Opposite leg in front this time. Returning to Salamba Sirsasana, intermediate students lower back down, coming into child's pose. Advanced students prepare for a drop back. Releasing the legs back behind the head, coming into Urdhva Dhanurasana. On an inhale, rise, coming into Tadasana. Namaste.